Johnny Magic here at EM&J Compounds, and today we're going to actually show you some of the components associated with the up-and-coming Humvee conversion kit. A lot of the stuff is the same as what we normally have offered for the last, I don't know, since 2000, as far as parts and components associated with doing a H1 Humvee Duramax diesel conversion. But the Humvee, of course, has some specific other needs than your normal civilian vehicle. So, for example, we still use the same type of aluminum, intercooler, and which is this. Yeah, this is the intercooler that are used for any engine from the LOI to the LB7 or LBZ to actually the LMM. The LB7 is a little bit different. Of course, LMM, I didn't want to talk about that. We've been there, we've done it, and I didn't like it. So below there, we use the same radiator. You'll notice that the lower pipe's the same and stuff like that. I did decide to go to something a little bit cooler on the upper pipe. It is the newer style, flexible. It gives you a lot more mobility depending on what, some customers want to keep the 24-volt alternator. Some people don't care. So this allows you to kind of adjust that to specific to your needs. Then of course over here we have the exhaust system. This is the 3-piece version, and there is the 4-piece version which has the water ford over the rear fender or whatever. This is the one that stops short. This is normally what we sell because some people want to have a stack. Some people just want to exit it in front of the tire. Of course, then some people want the water ford that goes over. So it's all 4-inch mandrel bent stuff. Really cool. Of course, here's the drive shafts laying over here. Sorry, we're just doing videos for our kits that are coming up. Your front drive shaft, this is the newest version. It gets rid of a lot of the complications associated with vibration in the past that we've had. And of course the rear one that fits the application as well, the older series rear U-joint. And of course for the Humvee, we decided to go with a different transmission cooling system, and it was only by mistake because during prototyping one of them, we realized that we had tried a different version of cooler, different than what we normally do on the H1, and this was our fix for it. It's pretty cool because it allows you to remotely put this anywhere you want. So now this is not up on your cooling stack. It's actually, the way we mount them is in the rear of the vehicle and stuff like that. So a good friend of mine, Joe at PPE, he had done a Humvee about 10 years ago, and he had them there. So I figured that if this guy put them there, then I definitely want to put them there. So that's kind of the basics of the kit. We'll talk more about that. We're going to start shooting little short videos on as we actually install this on that Humvee that we used to, that car that was parked in the wrong spot. We're going to be building that, but as we build that, I'm going to stop and shoot a few, a little bit of video on when we install the cooling system, so you have an idea, or how we do the electrical, all that kind of stuff. It'll just be enough for you to understand the basic concept of it. Then you can go over to the site, and obviously we'll have a bigger video, like a full-blown video with all the technical information. Johnny Technic's going to actually be doing that video, and you can buy that video if you want to kind of learn how to do it, or if you buy the part from us, then we'll turn around and give you the video for free. Or if you end up buying the video and then turn around buying the part, then we'll just give you your money back on the video. So that's kind of the system, the kit, and everything. So at this time, I'm going to see you guys later. I'm going to go play around with the H2 Hummer. Johnny Magic, we'll see you.